this is the new FZ version 3 and it's the matte black. You can see there are more changeovers. There are two LED lights, like this is for low beam and this is for high beam. And this is the ABS channel. It is the single channel ABS which comes as a standard version for this. And there is no split seat, and it's fully joined, so it's more comfortable than before. And the tank looks so big, wide. It's so, the makeover is fully changed compared to the older versions. And the instrumental cluster and this, and in this instrument cluster we have like trip 1, trip 2, time, odometer, and it's fully changed. You can see in the night it will be very useful to see. And there is a engine guard which is very helpful. Compared to older version, there was no engine guard. In this we have engine guard, and there is no kickstart for this. This is started using the ignition, and there is no kickstart. It is a disadvantage for a 150cc motorcycle. And this is the air-cooled engine, and this is the new FZ version 3. Now we'll be seeing the exhaust note for this. Put into neutral. Now we'll see the exhaust note. The exhaust design is so beautiful, man. It's so metallic, and it's totally a beautiful FZ version 3.